How to solve rejected Binance account. Now check your email first. Binance usually sends an email explaining why your account was rejected. Look for specific reason, example invalid ID, complete documents, or issue with KYC. Now after that, review your KYC documents. Now go to your profile from here. And now you'll be able to find this. I have the verified in green. You will be able to find it unverified with red. Now, common reason for rejection it may be for the poor quality images. Make sure your ID photo and selfie are clear, and expired document, and inconsistent information, example name mismatch. Now resubmit documents to ensure your ID is valid, not expired, and the selfie matches perfectly, no sunglasses, glare, or shadows. If Binance rejected a document, try another one, example passport instead of driver's license, or a clearer picture. After that, correct personal information. Double check that all personal info, the name, the DOB, the address matches what is in your ID. If there is a discrepancy, update your details in the profile section. Now wait for review. After re-uploading documents, Binance will review them. This may take up to 24 to 48 hours. Be patient during this process. Or you can contact Binance support if rejected again. If you keep facing the rejection, tap on your profile as you can see, and now click on the settings gear. Now scroll down and click on Help Center, and now click on Help Center again, and use the live chat or submit a support ticket with all the details of your issue, and provide clear images and explanation to avoid future delays. Now verify security settings. If your KYC is passed but you are still restricted, ensure your 2FA is activated is by tapping on your name from here and tap on security. And now you need to enable the authenticator by clicking on authenticator app. And now tap on enable to enable it, and enable the SMS by clicking on phone number, and you can confirm the SMS from here. Now if you follow these tips and correct any issue with your KYC documents, your account should be successfully verified soon, and let me know if you solve your problem. So this is how to solve rejected Binance account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.